Good morning, Ma'am Sir. I'm Jelemy Blanco. Thank you for the opportunity to interview today. I'm excited to share a bit of my background and what I can bring to your team. I previously worked as an assistant at Ambaga, Butuan City from 2018 to 2020. I gained knowledge and experience in customer service and organizational tasks, which helped me to develop a strong organizational skills. I completed my senior high with focus on accounting business management at SLC Butuan in 2021. Currently, I'm pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Information System at Caraga State University, where I can expand my technical skills. I am proficient in various computer applications including Microsoft Office and VS Code. Furthermore, I have knowledge about programming in C++, HTML, CSS, and many more. I am also actively pursuing certification in programming through Celolearn on HTML, C++, CSS, and JavaScript. I am passionate about technology and eager to apply my skills in a practical setting. I believe my background and skills can contribute to your organizations. Thank you for considering my application.